Hello crafters! Welcome to my channel Create DIYs and Paintings. So today I am making DIY puzzle craft from ice cream sticks, and here I am securing these ice cream sticks with the help of masking tape so that I can easily do painting on it. Here I am painting Zootopia's character. So this is going to be a puzzle which I am making inspired from Zootopia's true character. It's a Disney movie. It's the second part of Zootopia. So if you are a Zootopia lover, so you can make this craft, and you can make the characters. You can bring the characters into life, and with this simple puzzle craft of Zootopia characters. Here I have drawn some characters like Nick Wilde, Judy Hopps, the snake, and Mr. Big. Here I am coloring these characters. So if you are thinking that it's look messy, but after at last we will do some underlining with this alcohol marker, so it will look nice. So you can do like what I'm doing. So here I am giving a realistic look with the help of alcohol marker. Now as you can see, our drawing is ready. Now I am giving a background color. Here I am coloring some kind of a green shade, like a very light green shade, and I have added some silver metallic color in this color. So these are acrylic color what I am doing here. You can do any color if you like watercolor, poster colors. So here I am doing acrylic colors, so the drawing is looking very realistic. You can make any other kind of characters. So as I'm talking about the puzzle, so here you can use this drawing as a puzzle, and you can play with your friends. Like you can challenge your friends to do in a certain amount of time. Like you need to solve the puzzle in just 20 seconds. So that's how you can play with this puzzle what I'm making here. Another character which I have drawn is Gazelle. So I like one dialogue of Gazelle. So here I'm speaking that. I'm Gazelle. Welcome to Zootopia. So if you are a Gazelle's fan or a Shakira's fan, you can make this character. So here I'm giving us some kind of wall hanging look to my craft, so that I am using it as a wall hanging in my room. So here you can also do, if you are tired of playing this puzzle with your friends, so what you can do at the end, you can fix it like this, like how I have fixed with the help of paper and tape. And now I am attaching some glittery lace with the help of masking tape. So here you can see our hanging craft is ready. Bye bye friends, have a nice day.